How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can create point layer and add points in QGIS. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. First things first, let's create our layer. To do that, navigate through the layer drop-down menu, and then you want to click Create Layer, and then we have the new temporary scratch layer. Now in here, you could of course name your layer to whatever you want to. I'm going to be naming it my point layer. And it's really important to navigate through the geometry type and then select the point layer right here. Now, of course, you could make a few more adjustments, but in my case, I'm fine with this one. So let's click OK. If you want to navigate through the additional properties of this said layer, you could just double click on it and then it will take you to the properties of our layer right here. Now to finally add our points in this specific layer, you must first toggle the editing mode. So it's going to be this pencil icon, and then some additional options will show up. You then want to click on this icon called the add point feature. And of course, it's just as easy as clicking on somewhere on your map. And then basically from there, you will be able to add your points. Once again, that's how easy it is. Of course, in here, you can edit this out the way you want to, but that's how you do it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.